Symmetric encryption is a fundamental data protection technique. It relies on a single cryptographic key for both encrypting plaintext and decrypting ciphertext. Because it is so effective, it is one of the most widely used techniques to secure sensitive information across industries like defense, banking, and healthcare. The process is straightforward. A sender uses a secret key to encrypt data. That encrypted data travels through a secure channel to the receiver, who uses that same identical key to decrypt the information. Why is symmetric encryption so popular? Speed and efficiency. It is generally faster and more computationally efficient than asymmetric encryption. This makes it perfect for encrypting large amounts of data in real time, such as disk encryption or active data transmission. Strong security. When you use strong, randomly generated keys, it provides a high level of security. As long as the key remains secret, the process is highly secure. Simplicity. It is much simpler to implement and faster to execute because it only involves one key for the entire lifecycle of the data. However, there are significant challenges to consider. Key distribution. This is the biggest hurdle. Securely distributing and managing secret keys is difficult. If a key is compromised, all data encrypted with it becomes vulnerable. Limited use for secure communication. It isn't ideal for communication between parties who have never met or don't already share a pre-established key. Symmetric encryption is a powerhouse of speed and simplicity, provided you can keep your keys safe. If this breakdown of symmetric encryption helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for our next video on asymmetric encryption.